Hello everyone, this is Rita. Today I'm going to show you about the Catl 93 to replace the Mitsubishi iMev and the Peugeot iOn, the Renault ZOE and the Citroën ZOE. And for these French cars, it can replace the lev50 battery to the Catl 93 ampere-hour cells. And this cells is the 3.7 volts and 93 ampere hours, and this is the NMC battery. And some customers may wonder how their cars can average to the 50 ampere hours to 93 ampere hours. We some have the technology customers. They have upgraded the BMU to let the car know the new battery is 93 ampere hours instead of 50 ampere hours. And now we have customers successfully exchanged. So it shows that the 93 ampere hour is it can successful to replace the original battery. I have this, and I'm going to show you about the battery, the qualities and the specifications and the details. So follow my cameras to see how is the Catl 93 ampere hour cells. Here I have 93 ampere hour cells, and this battery is from the Catl manufacturer, and here is the original QR codes, and the standard is brand new, and the quality is grade 8. And the normal voltage is 3.7 volts and 93 ampere hours. But due to our test, 2275 volts to 4.2 volts, the Catl City can reach to 98 ampere hours. So this battery, the Catl City is similar to 100 ampere hours, and is told that is twice large power than the lev50. So if you want to use this cell to replace the lev50, you must to change the BMU, or you have some knowledge to that the power of the battery cells. The length is 172 mm. The thickness is 48 mm, and the height is 85 mm. And you can see here is the standard. This actual is wider than the lev50 standard. We usually use these connecting pieces and MA stairs to fit the standards, so it can have a better charge and discharge performance. This battery is 3.7 volts, and the capacity is 93 ampere hours, so the energy density can reach to 340 kilowatts hour. Through our customer feedbacks, after they use the 88 pieces to exchange the original lev50 battery, and the cost in the normal situation can drive to 230 to 270, and this is very good mileage to customers. Actually, this is 1C continuous 3C pack charge. Now we can weld the MA studs with the M3 small holes to match the original lev50, the design. So if you receive the battery, and you can directly put it in the package, and due to the size, the Catl 93 is actually smaller than the lev50. So we need to use the EVA foam to lift the battery higher to match with the size to the lev50. Now let me show you about the battery test and stock we have in our factory. Yes, here is the stock, and there is the Catl 93 battery, and one car needs the 88 pieces for the lev50 battery change. So now we have very affordable price and good quality the batteries for use, and they are less stocks. So if you are interested in these batteries, please contact us freely and send us your address, and we will give you the shipping cost, and you can get quicker exchange to your lover car. Here is the resistant texture, and now let me test the consistency to see the difference. As you can see, there is no big difference between this battery. They are like twice because of the same capacity and the resistance. And for here is the original the Catl 93 batteries, and you can see here is the original QR codes, and there is most is not being exchanged. And we will add the black face pad and remind the QR codes, and with the deep blue deep blue flame. You know, the original lev50, the automobile mileage is 120 to 150. Now, if you exchange with the Catl 93, the mileage can reach to 230 to 250. So it seems it's larger powers than the original battery placement. So if you have the knowledge about the battery and you can program the BMU, you can use these grade A quality batteries to replace your lev50 battery. So you may wonder if you have some routes to guide us to modify the cars. So I keep asking about my customers, and they give me a guide solutions, and I will show in the videos. With the good price and the grade A quality batteries, and the cost is actually lower than the cabbage replacement, and we ship from China. The shipping cost is around $320 to $40, and the shipping days is usually 35 to 45 business. So if you are interested in the battery replacement project and you want to try or get more information about the Catl 93 battery, you can contact us freely. I will provide my WhatsApp and official websites, and you can contact us for freely shipping costs and some specification sheet. And see you next video.